Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is Jackson. Call sign Alpha Bravo Foxtrot Charlie. MMSI 257501000. Latitude 37 degree 23.6 minutes north. Longitude 003 degree 08.2 minute east. My vessel is on fire. I repeat, my vessel is on fire. I need an immediate assistance. Over. Pan. All stations. This is Jackson. Alpha Lima Bravo Charlie. Larger black tanker appears not under command. It is heading for South Harbor Bridge. It may collide with bridge pylon. Unknown tanker change course immediately. Over. Security. All stations. This is Jackson. Lima Charlie November 0 Bravo. Navigational warning. Listen VHF Channel 06. Out. Security. All stations. This is Jackson. Lima Charlie November 0 Bravo. 3 drifting containers observed in position 43 degrees 12 minutes north and 004 degrees 54 minutes west. Ships in the area, keep sharp lookout. Out.